Part 1 of the snowstorm. Oh, that cat is so cute. I'm gonna ask my mom to go adopt it. Oh my god, it's so cute. Is it just me or is it kind of cold outside? I think I'm gonna go inside. It's still so cold, but I'm just gonna go ask my mom if we can adopt this cat. Honey, don't you think it's getting a little bit cold? Yeah, it is actually getting really cold. Mom, I was looking at the cats at the adoption center and this one is really cute. Oh my god, it's so cold in here. Mom, it's so cold. Did you turn the AC up all the way? No, I don't think I did. Wait, I'll look at the cat in a minute. I'm gonna go get the heaters. Okay, I got the heater. It's still so cold. Mom, is there like a snowstorm or something? I don't know, I'll go check the news. I just froze their faces. Why are they smiling like that? Also, honey, can you please hold Michelle? Yeah, of course. Okay, Sarah, come with me. Okay, Mom. Breaking news! There's a snowstorm in town. Please avoid going outside and get a lot of blankets. I don't know. Okay, I think that explains why it's so cold. Sarah, can you please go get Estelle? Yeah, sure. I'm gonna go get the blankets. Estelle, can you open up? It's me, Sarah. Oh, the door's already unlocked. Come in. Okay, thank you. It's so cold outside. I'm freezing. Yeah, I know. On the news, they said that it's a snowstorm, and Mom told me to come call you. For what? I don't know. She said that she's gonna get blankets, by the way. Okay. Come on, let's go. Okay. Okay, Mom, we're here. Okay, Sarah, take this blanket. Okay. Thanks, Mom. Okay, so we're gonna stay up here because we've checked and this room is the warmest room in the house. I'm still gonna go get more heaters just so that it's more warm. So just try and stay here and try and stay warm. Okay? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go get more heaters. Part 2?